Good morning, children. Today, let's learn Chapter 4, A Look into History. Here you can see multiple choice questions. So you have to choose the correct one. So your first question is, who was the first Governor General of India? Who was the first Governor General of India? Answer is C. Rajagopalachari. And here you can see the picture of C. Rajagopalachari. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, popularly known as Rajaji, he was an Indian statesman, writer, lawyer, and freedom fighter. He was the first and last Governor General of India. And he became the Governor General after Lord Mountbatten, who had left India in 1948. C. Rajagopalachari founded the Swatantra Party in 1959 and also served as Union Home Minister from 1951 to 52. And he was honored with Bharat Ratna in the year 1954. Next question is, which famous artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City? Which famous artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City? It's Michelangelo. Michelangelo, and this is the picture of Michelangelo. So he was an Italian sculptor, painter, architect, and poet of the High Renaissance, born in the Republic of Florence, whose contributions influence the development of Western art. And here you can see the Sistine Chapel ceiling, which was painted by Michelangelo. And your next question is, Vasco da Gama belonged to which country? Vasco da Gama belonged to Portugal. And here you can see the picture of Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese explorer and the first European to reach India by sea. He reached Kerala's coastal town, Kappad near Kozhikode in 1948. And your fourth question is this, which Englishman set up the Asiatic Society in Kolkata in 1784? Answer is Sir William Jones. Here you can see the picture of Sir William Jones. Sir William Jones was an Anglo-Welsh philologist and a scholar of ancient India, set up the Asiatic Society in Calcutta in 1784. Philologist means it is a person, that is a person who studies the history of languages by giving importance to literature. And next question is, at which place did Gautama Buddha deliver his first sermon? At which place did Gautama Buddha deliver his first sermon? Answer is Sarnath. And here you can see the picture of Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha is regarded as the founder of Buddhism. The title Buddha means awakened one or enlightened one. And next question is, Karl Marx was a German. Karl Marx was German. And about him, Karl Heinrich Marx was a German philosopher, economist, historian, sociologist, political theorist, journalist, and socialist revolutionary. His notable works are the Communist Manifesto, Das Kapital, etc. And here you can see the picture of Karl Marx. And next question is this, who was defeated in the Battle of Plassey? Who was defeated in the Battle of Plassey? Answer is Siraj-ud-Dowlah. Here you can see the picture of Siraj-ud-Dawla. Mirza Muhammad Siraj-ud-Dawla was the last independent Nawab of Bengal. Clive defeated Siraj-ud-Dawla at Plassey in 1757 and captured Calcutta. Next question, question number 8 is, who among the following was the first female president of the Indian National Congress? The choices are Nellie Sengupta, Annie Besant, Sarojini Naidu. Answer is Annie Besant. Annie Besant was a British socialist, theosophist, women's rights activist, writer, orator, educationalist, and philanthropist. She was regarded as a champion of human freedom. She was an ardent supporter of both Irish and Indian self-rule. She was a prolific author too. And here you can see the picture of Annie Besant. Next question is, Taoism is a religion practiced in dash. Answer is China. And Taoism is a religion and philosophy from ancient China. Taoism holds that humans and animals should live in balance with the Tao or the universe. The meaning of the word Tao means universe. Taoists believe in spiritual immortality where the spirit of the body joins the universe after death. Question number 10. Who was the first European traveler to China? Answer is Marco Polo. Marco Polo was a Venetian merchant and adventurer who traveled from Europe to Asia in 1271 to 95, and he was known for the book The Travels of Marco Polo, which describes his voyage to and experiences in Asia. And here you can see the picture of Marco Polo. Question number 11. Who among the following was chosen by Mahatma Gandhi as the first person to launch the individual satyagraha in 1940 to 41? Choices are Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Vinoba Bhave. So the answer is Vinoba Bhave. Vinayak Narahari Vinoba Bhave was an Indian advocate of non-violence and human rights. Often called Acharya, he is best known for the Bhudan movement. He is considered as a national teacher of India and the spiritual successor of Mahatma Gandhi. He was an eminent philosopher also. Next question, question number 12. Who set up the first printing press in England? Who set up the first printing press in England? Answer is William Caxton. Here you can see the picture of William Caxton. William Caxton was an English merchant, diplomat, and writer. He is thought to be the first person to introduce a printing press into England in 1476, and as a printer was the first English retailer of printed books. Question number 13. In which of these battles did Admiral Horatio Nelson lose his life? Choices are Battle of Trafalgar, Battle of Waterloo, Siege of Santa Cruz. So the answer is Battle of Trafalgar. The Battle of Trafalgar, fought on 21st October 1805, was a naval engagement between the British Royal Navy and the combined fleets of the French and Spanish navies during the War of the Third Coalition of the Napoleonic Wars. Question number 14. Which European leader was called the Little Corporal? Answer is Napoleon. Here you can see the picture of Napoleon. Napoleon Bonaparte, who was also known as Napoleon I, was a French military leader and emperor who conquered much of Europe in the early 19th century. He was also known as the Little Corporal. Question number 15. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain during World War II? Answer is Winston Churchill. Here you can see the picture of Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill was an inspirational statesman, writer, orator, and leader who led Britain to victory in the Second World War. He served as Conservative Prime Minister twice from 1940 to 1945 and from 1951 to 1955. Now let's have a quick look at the following questions. First one, who was the first Governor General of India? Answer C. Rajagopalachari. Question number 2, which famous artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City? Answer Michelangelo. Question number 3, Vasco da Gama belonged to dash? Portugal. Next one, which Englishman set up the Asiatic Society in Kolkata in 1784? Answer is Sir William Jones. Next one, at which place did Gautama Buddha deliver his first sermon? Answer Sarnath. Question number 6, Karl Marx was dash? Answer German. Question number 7, who was defeated in the Battle of Plassey? Answer Siraj-ud-Dawla. Question number 8, who among the following was the first female president of the Indian National Congress? Answer Annie Besant. Question number 9, Taoism is a religion practiced in dash? Answer China. Question number 10, who was the first European traveler to China? Answer Marco Polo. Question number 11, who among the following was chosen by Mahatma Gandhi as the first person to launch the individual Satyagraha in 1940-41? Answer Vinoba Bhave. Question number 12, who set up the first printing press in England? Answer William Caxton. Question number 13, in which of these battles did Admiral Horatio Nelson lose his life? Answer Battle of Trafalgar. Question number 14, which European leader was called the Little Corporal? Answer Napoleon. And the last question in today's class is, who was the Prime Minister of Britain during World War II? Answer Winston Churchill. So all of you write these answers in your textbook and study well. And also you have to do the test given in the description box. I will give the link. You have to click on the link and also do the test. First you watch the class, then do the test.